Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to chat with Facebook support team. Alright, let's begin. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, click on Meta Business Suite. You will now be redirected to Facebook Business Manager. Here, scroll down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Help tab. Inside it, click Help again and a mini page will open up on the right side of the Meta Suite. You will then see a couple of recommendations, but what we want is to chat with Facebook Live support. So come down and click Contact Support. If this doesn't work, then follow this alternative method. Simply write this URL in the search bar and hit enter. Messenger will then open and you will be able to chat with the Facebook support team. So that's basically how you can chat with Facebook support team. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.